joined in a Dena Bank, KC Dagar branch,
Hmm.
19 June 2017.
Hmm.
I'm working in in the counter, like I'm doing the work, uh, fixed deposits,
Hmm.
RTGS, NEFTs, and cash counters. I'm handling
NEFT and RTGS and
in
what else?
NEFT fixed deposits.
Fixed deposit.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, and government business.
Government deposit. Yeah.
Yes,
Can you please tell me what is the rate of interest for fixed deposit for 1 year?
sir, it's 4.90, sir.
4.90.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when we recollect what is your Bank of Baroda's website, so
Okay.
on the left side, first you have deposits,
Yes, sir.
and under that you will have savings bank.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me what are the formalities to be observed while opening a current account?
Sir, that depends on proprietor, a partnership account, sir.
Okay.
Uh, for the proprietorship account, we need a GST number,
Hmm.
a registration of the company,
Hmm.
the KYC documents of the proprietor.
Hmm.
So these are the documents needed for the current account.
No, no, you are talking from the angle of proprietor. Supposing it is a partnership, what will happen?
Sir, for the partnership deed, partnership registration certificate,
Hmm.
the KYC documents of all the partners.
That is partnership deed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then
And KYC documents of all the partners. That means Aadhaar card, PAN card.
Aadhaar card for all the partners.
Yes, sir. And
Their
one
signatures.
application form for that.
Yeah. Good. And then the account will be open in the name of the partnership
Partnership form.
firm. Okay. Supposing it is a limited company,
Okay, sir.
what are the formula? What are the documents we will ask for? Limited company. You have any experience of limited company account in your branch or no? No.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
But
you have. Yeah.
yes, sir. We have accounts of LLPs.
Which company? Okay, doesn't matter. Not required. You tell me what are the documents required.
Sir, no, sir.
No idea. Oh, it's a very important. See, in the case of current account, what we should do, we will ask for memorandum and articles of association.
Article. Yes, sir.
Then certificate of incorporation. Okay. Then certificate of commencement of business if it is a public limited company.
Yes,
If it is a private limited, not
No need.
required. Okay.
No need of.
Yeah. And then we ask for a board resolution. A resolution from the board of directors stating that the account should be opened and so persons are authorized to operate the bank account.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once that is given to us, then as you say, the other formalities and all over, then we can open the account. Tell me what is the minimum balance in your branch for savings bank and the current account?
Sir, saving bank account, the minimum balance is 2,000. Metro,
Hmm.
in rural areas, that is 1,000, sir.
Okay.
For a current account, 10,000 is the minimum balance.
Acha, 10,000 is required in your branch, like
Yes,
because it is urban and metropolitan.
Yes, sir. Everywhere the current account we should maintain 10,000.
10,000, yeah.
Yes, sir.
But this much money they are maintaining in current account and we are not going to pay any interest. Why are they opening current account with us?
Sir, most of the current account holders they open the current account for business purpose, sir.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah. Continue.
Yes, sir. That is the main thing.
No, but you can also tell some more reasons. They open it for business purposes and you have safety of funds
Okay.
and you also have, say, the details of transactions done every day. That is a record of transactions.
Okay.
And Also, whenever a check is issued in the name of the company or the firm,
Okay.
it cannot be collected without having an account in a bank.
Yes, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
अभी बताइए. Now, why are the companies opening current account with us? Why individuals open current account with us?
Sir, the first thing is the business purpose they will open the current account,
Yeah.
and they will for the current accounts with the
No. Current account, one, safety of funds.
safety of funds,
Uh,
and one more thing is the check will be with the name of the company. Can't deposit in his own name.
Correct.
Then he will deposit through companies. That means his current account.
Very good. Then there is a record of transactions.
Record of transaction for daily. That means
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Have you verified about the business position of your bank as a whole? What was the deposit, total deposit? Balance sheet देखा आपने?
no, sir.
No. Oh, doesn't matter. You know about your branch?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your branch.
Sir, branch total business is 420 crores, sir.
Adegappa. It's a very big branch then. 420 crores. Chief manager branch?
And now the branch manager is senior manager, sir.
Oh, branch manager is only senior manager. Very good, very good.
Yes, sir. There are two senior managers. One is going with the loans. The another senior manager, sir,
For deposits.
Operations.
Operations.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. That's nice. Now, at what time your day begins in the branch?
Sir, usually I will go 8:45, sir. My branch timing is 9 o'clock, sir.
And you will work up to?
Sir, I will work up to till my work will be done, sir.
Up to 3?
Actually, the branch timing is for the customers, it's like 3 o'clock, sir.
3 o'clock. Oh.
Yes, sir.
But closing and all, how long it will take?
Sir, it will take mostly 6 o'clock, sir.
No, but what you will do after customer hours are over? What is the nature of business you will be doing after customer hours are over?
After customer hours.
అర్థమవుతుందా? కస్టమర్ చెప్పండి.
Sir, after customers are over, then we will go through the nearby. That means my branch located in a marketplace, sir.
Sorry, okay.
Yes, we will go through the nearby customers. That means a flower market and the nearby shops. We will go there and we will sell something. That means today is if today is any login day, we will go there and we will explain them. These are the today's this is the
really
login day.
Very good. So you will go for canvassing of accounts.
Yes, sir. We will go for the canvassing of accounts and we will go for the APY, the government business schemes.
Oh, no. Is it that you only officers will go or clerical also will go?
No, sir. We will also go, sir.
Clerical also?
Yes, sir.
What about women? Girls, one I say?
Sir, no, sir. The girls are not come, but we will go, sir. I will go through my officers, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. That's really nice. I am happy you are involving yourself in canvassing of deposits also. That's really good. This will help you once you become an officer. Okay.
Yes.
Supposing some drunkard comes to your branch, what will you do?
Sir, first of all, we will ask him what is his work. What do you want to do in a branch? Then we will give a suggestion. If he wants to take a cash for withdraw cash from the cash counter, then we will help him.
No, he is a drunkard.
Okay.
One who has taken, say, rum or wine is coming to your branch. So what you will do?
Sir, we won't do anything, sir.
That is what you have to tell me. So if he is a drunkard, we will not allow any transactions to be done by him. And we will nicely take him out of the branch and give him to person known to him so that he is not giving trouble to us. Correct? Could you follow what I said? అర్థమవ్వలేదా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
అర్థమైంది కదా? Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. So now banks, what are the various businesses we are doing? Tell me, what are the various businesses we are doing?
Sir, the first thing is lend the money to the customer. And cross-selling of the products. And digital products will go through the digital products. Government businesses, the government schemes. Yes, sir, these are the businesses.
No, you can go through what is given in your website. ఇదన్నీ చేస్తున్నాము కదా.
Okay, sir. Credit cards, yes, sir.
చెప్పండి.
Prepaid cards. Travel easy cards, credit cards. Insurance, sir. General insurance, life insurance.
అది చెప్పాలి. Good. Yes, sir. Then investment, mutual funds.
Mutual funds, yes, sir. Mutual funds.
ఇదన్నీ చెప్పాలండి.
Okay.
Very good, very good. So what are the things we are doing? Accounts, loan, that is saving deposit accounts, loan accounts, okay. Investment accounts, insurance, then digital. Digital may what are the things that are there?
Sir, digital, the first thing is Baroda Connect, our internet banking. M-Connect Plus or mobile banking apps. Or M-Invest for our mutual funds.
No, but I think you have not read it. Here, digital, they have given so many things. WhatsApp banking.
Sir, yes, sir. WhatsApp banking, Bring Baroda Pay. And door to, yes, sir. WhatsApp banking, Bring Baroda Pay.
ME Lobby ante? ME Lobby, ATMs, cash recyclers, self-service passbook printers, yes, multi-function kiosks, account opening kiosk, okay. Then cards, prepaid card, credit card, debit card, services, digital portable branch, then payment, Bharat Bill Pay, BIM Aadhaar Baroda Pay.
BIM Aadhaar Pay.
Like that, very good. ఇంకొకసారి చదువుకోండి అది.
Okay.
You have to go through that once again. Good.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైంది. Now please tell me about internet banking.
Sir, our internet banking is launched on 14 September 2006. Through internet banking, we will do the transactions of, if you want to send the money to any other bank, we will go through the internet banking. If you want to change your nominee, nominations, you can add. IPO, if you want to buy some initial public offerings, you can buy through our internet banking. Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Did you go through your Bank of Baroda Academy, that interview?
Baroda
Gurukul. Did you go through that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will ask some questions from there.
Okay.
Yeah, good, good, good. You have studied, that means it's really good. Yeah. I have to make it 200 or to make it 200. Okay. Now tell me, what are they telling about Smart Barodian? What is that?
Smart Barodian.
They have given circular number BCC, BR number 110/165, dated 31/3/2018.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Smart Barodian. That means how to waive the trust. How to behave with the customer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. How to behave with customers and all that. Very good, very good. That's right. What is NPA?
NPA, non-performing assets, sir. That means if a borrower take the loan from our bank, if he didn't pay the amount, within 90 days, the account will be goes to NPA, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, what is meant by CASA deposits?
CASA deposit, sir.
CASA.
Yes, sir. Current account and saving account deposit, sir.
So why banks are very keen about CASA? Why banks are keen about CASA?
Yes, sir. Because if the CASA accounts will be increased, our bank deposits will be increased, sir. And our business also, the total business of our bank will be also increased, sir.
Good, good. And not only that, interest rate is very less.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Interest rate is also very less. Yes, sir. That's why they're going to CASA.
Very good. What is the expansion for NII?
Net interest
Income.
income, yes, sir. Net interest.
What is NIM?
Net interest margin.
Super, super, super. I was not knowing it. You told me. Very good. Any famous or recent incident that happened about your branch? Anything that happened that you can remember? Say some celebration of some days, this like that, some weeks and all that. ఏమేం చేశారా బ్రాంచ్ మీ బ్రాంచ్లో రీసెంట్లో మంచి మాట?
రీసెంట్లీ ఏమేం చేసాము? రీసెంట్ గా ఏమేం చేసాము
అదే చెప్పాలి. రీసెంట్లీ ఏమైంది ఇన్ యువర్ బ్రాంచ్?
రీసెంట్ గా
ఏం చేయలేదు అలా చెప్పకూడదే. సంథింగ్ మీరు మేనేజ్ చేసి చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏమీ దొరకలేదు. నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే సార్. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ సార్ ఐ గాట్ ఇట్. Maybe in November, our chief manager, sir, Kalpis, sir, he gave the party to the staff members.
Very good. So that means he is happy about your service.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Mr. Nayak, are you willing to take transfer from Bombay to outside Bombay?
Yes, sir. Yes, of course, sir.
No problem?
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Which newspaper are you reading? Did you read any newspaper today? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which newspaper did you read?
Hindu.
The Hindu?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me one or two news items?
Sir, aaj nahi pada.
Aaj nahi pada. అలాగా చెప్పకూడదు. మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ పొద్దున ఈవినింగ్ లా?
1 o'clock, sir. 1 to 3.
అంటే మంచి టైం ఉంది కదా.
మార్నింగ్ చూసి వెళ్తాను సార్.
మార్నింగ్ యూ హావ్ టు రీడ్. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. I will go through it.
Yeah. Because they will ask what is the news you have read today అని అడగొచ్చు.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. ఇప్పుడు వద్దు. Very good. Did you pass CIB?
No, sir. I completed my JAB in 2018, sir.
Okay, why you want to be promoted?
Sir, the first thing is...
No, I want to improve my career prospects. I want my career, yes, sir, future career to be good.
My personal growth.
అలాగా చెప్పాలి. Okay?
Yes, sir. I want to improve my personal growth. That means the promotion only gives us, indicate us you are getting, we are going. Good. Which department you can handle very well? Sir, fixed deposit and government business.
Very good. Then who is the chairman of Bank of Baroda?
Sanjeev Chadha.
Very good. How many zones are there in Bank of Baroda?
Sir, there are 18 zones, sir.
18?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Sir, from now I will see myself in it as a chief manager in Bank of Baroda, sir.
Excellent. Good. Ade manchidi. You told like that. Will you study for CIB and all?
Yes, sir. In 2019, I gave the exam for CIB, sir.
Why should one study CIB?
Sir, for the knowledge of banking knowledge, sir, for the improvement of bank's knowledge.
Very good, very good. Can you tell me what is SLR and why SLR is asked to be maintained?
Sir, SLR is a statutory liquidity ratio. Sir, that means we have to maintain in a cash, gold, 18% of the deposit in our with our bank. We have to maintain 18% of the deposit with the bank, sir. Either it may be cash, gold, or government securities.
Is it that every branch should maintain?
No, sir. That should be maintained by our bank, sir, not the branch.
It should be maintained at the bank level, not at the branch level.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Did you go for LTC and all? LFC?
Yes, sir. LFC.
Which place you went for LFC last time? When was it?
Sir, last time I went for the LFC in 2017, sir.
Okay. To which place?
In my hometown, sir.
Achha, your native place?
Yes, native place only.
What is your native place?
Sir, my native place is Nagarjuna Sagar, sir.
Nagarjuna Sagar. Where is it?
Sir, it is located in Andhra Pradesh, Guntur district, sir.
Oh, what is good about Nagarjuna Sagar?
The Nagarjuna, that means the Nagarjuna Sagar is a dam, sir.
Achha?
Nearby is the Nallamala forest. And we will go to the Buddha Museum is nearby. And the Buddha University also there, sir.
Achha?
The very, yes, sir. Very beautiful place in the place.
Excellent. Ancha, Chapandi, why banks are having safe deposit lockers? Banks లో లాకర్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు కదా, ఎందుకు లాకర్స్ అన్ని పెట్టుంటారు? బ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాట్ రీజన్ ఆర్ దే కీపింగ్ ఇట్ విత్ దమ్? దాని నుంచి బ్యాంక్ కి ఏమి బెనిఫిట్?
The first thing is they maintain a deposit with us, sir, for maintaining of the locker, sir.
Okay.
That means our deposit will be increases.
Okay.
And another is in every locker of for a year we will charge for the customer, sir.
Rental income. Adi cheppali. That word you have to use. Rental income.
Yes, sir. Rental income.
Rental income use చేసుకోవాలి.
Yes, sir.
బ్యాంక్స్ అని ఎన్ఈఎఫ్టి, ఆర్టీజీఎస్ ఇదన్నీ ఎందుకు పంపిస్తున్నారు?
Sir, for the income, sir. That means
correct. For the commission charges.
Yes, sir. General charges.
For the charges they will get. Good.
Yes, sir.
కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పినారు. మీరు జేఐబి చదివారు కదా?
Yes, sir.
అంటే బిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అంటే ఏమండి?
Bill of exchange. Bill of exchange is an unconditional statement.
You have forgotten. Bill of exchange is an instrument in writing directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money to another person. Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
A definition adi. Okay. Can you tell me an example of bill of exchange which we are using every day in the bank branch?
Bill of exchange.
Every day we are using so many things. Check is a bill of exchange.
Check is a bill of exchange.
Check is also a bill of exchange. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? Depositor issuing an order to a certain person, bank asking him to pay a certain sum of money to a certain person.
Check is also a bill of exchange.
అది తెలీదా మీకు?
DD, sir.
DD also is a bill of exchange.
Okay, checks or DD or bill of exchange.
Yeah. This DD is drawn by one branch on another branch to pay to some person, direct person. Arthamainda?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Endorsement.
Certain amount of money to the certain person.
Bill of exchange is an instrument in writing directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person. Okay? Idani act lo undi. What is the act called?
Negotiable instrument act, sir.
What is the year in which it was passed?
1961.
No, 1881.
Yes, sir. 1881.
Okay. What is the section number which is dealing about giving punishment for return of checks unpaid without funds?
138, sir.
Section 138. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Baga cheppinaru. Please tell me something about endorsement of checks.
Endorsement of check.
Hmm.
No,
తెలీదా ఎండార్స్మెంట్ అంటే ఏమి సైనింగ్ ఆన్ ది బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ద చెక్
okay.
అక్కడ ఏమైనా ఖాళీ బ్లాంక్ ఎండార్స్మెంట్ అంటే సింప్లీ సిగ్నేచర్ రాయని
Yes, sir.
తర్వాత దట్ ఈస్
Restricted
బ్లాంక్ ఎండార్స్మెంట్
endorsement.
ఫుల్ ఎండార్స్మెంట్ మీన్స్ రైటింగ్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ సర్టన్ పర్సన్ టు హోమ్ ద మనీ హెస్ టు గో అర్థమైందా
Yes, sir.
డెబిట్ కార్డ్ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమండి
Debit card, credit card, sir. Debit card, we will pay the money, which what money we have, sir. In a credit card, we will pay. Okay. No, sir.
You are not getting it. Debit card means, say debit card, we can use the card only if we have balance in the account. Whereas in a credit card, bank is giving a credit limit to us. We use that limit. Later on, we pay based on the bills received from the bank. Arthamainda? In both, the principle is same. We have a
Debit card, we have a balance in our account.
అదే ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పాలి గుడ్ కరెక్ట్ అది మంచిది డిఐసిజిసి ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఏమండి
Yes. Director Insurance General Corporation.
ఏమి డిపాజిట్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ క్రెడిట్ గ్యారంటీ కార్పొరేషన్
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
అప్ టు వాట్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఇస్ గ్యారంటీడ్
Sir, up to 5 lakhs, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఐఎంఎఫ్ IMF.
International Monetary Fund.
What is the expansion of ADB?
Asian Development Bank.
Very good. What is NPCI?
National Payment Corporation of India.
Excellent. Good. Correct ga cheppinaru, no problem. As it is, you are telling nicely, but kani meeku konjam bayam untundi.
అవును సార్.
You are having some fear in your mind, I can see it. Alaga fear undakuddu. You are doing very well.
Okay.
Go with confidence. You can do very well. Bank, you please get to know something more about your bank also. They won't ask you, but please get to know.
Okay.
What is the degree you studied?
Sir, engineering, sir.
Electronics and communication.
Yes, sir.
Which subject you like very much in that? Radar.
Yes.
Tell me something about radar. అర్థం అవలేదా
అభి అయిపోతా సార్ అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు తెలియదు సార్
కొంచెం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి
ఓకే
అబౌట్ యువర్ ఈసీ దే వోంట్ ఆస్క్ అడగను 100% దే వోంట్ ఆస్క్ కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఈరోజు సబ్స్టాఫ్ టు క్లరికల్ ఆఫీసర్ సబ్ టు క్లరికల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఒక మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఫెలో was asked mechanical engineering question. Yeah, he studied ME. Manoj is his name.
Okay.
And he said he answered it. No problem. Alage meeru answer chevali. Kali ekku ledu. Definitely they will ask like this. ECE lo meeku endha subject interesting subject.
Okay.
Dantlo ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి ఇంకా ఏమీ లేదంటే మీరు విజ్డమ్ జాబ్స్ వెళ్ళాలి wisdomjobs.com అక్కడ వెళ్ళి ఈసీఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ వేయండి దాని నుంచి మీకు వస్తుంది సంథింగ్ యూ మస్ట్ స్టడీ కదా How can you so you don't remember? Only 3 years అయింది.
లేదు సార్, ఇంజనీరింగ్ అయ్యి 2013.
Oh, acha acha. 2013.
Yes sir, I joined.
అంటే you tell them openly అన్ని మర్చిపోయాను.
Yes sir.
Acha. Now tell me, you are from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes sir.
Who is your chief minister?
Jagan Mohan Reddy.
Who is your governor? ఏమి ఏమైంది?
Sir.
ఏం సార్ ఇదన్నీ అడుగుతున్నారు? బిబి హరిచంద్రన్.
హరిశ్చంద్రన్, yes sir.
మహారాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ ఎవరండి? భగత్ సింగ్.
భగత్ సింగ్ సార్.
కోశ్యారి.
భగత్ సింగ్.
Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Who is your chief minister?
Maharashtra.
Yeah. Uddhav Thackeray.
Uddhav Thackeray, yes sir.
ఇదన్నీ మర్చిపోయారా? Okay, who is our union finance minister?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
నిర్మలా
Sitharaman.
కరెక్ట్. బడ్జెట్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఇప్పుడు ఫిబ్రవరి 1st. ఈ రోజు ఏమి ఇంపార్టెంట్ మాట ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఈ రోజుకి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ న్యూస్
ఈ రోజుకి?
దట్ ఈస్ టుడేస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఏమి? వ్యాక్సినేషన్.
16th. Okay, vaccination.
అది చెప్పాలి. వెరీ గుడ్. అంటే మంచిదండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. బెస్ట్ విషెస్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సార్ ఎలా చూస్తాం?
వెరీ గుడ్. యూ డిడ్ నైస్లీ. Somewhere around 8 to 9 marks you can get.
Okay.
Somewhere around 8 to 9 marks you can get. కానీ ఇంకో కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెంట్ కావాలి. మీరు టైం దొరుకుతుంది. మీరు యూట్యూబ్లో ఓ అమ్మాయి వీడియో ఉంది.
ఓకే.
ఉందా లేదా? ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ షీ డిడ్. ఉంది. బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ బరోడా ఇప్పుడే వేసాము. అది యూ ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ దట్. క్లరికల్ టు ఆఫీసర్ వేసామా లేదా?
ఒక నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చింది సార్.
నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చింది కదా, అది చూడండి. అంటే యూ లిసన్. దట్ గర్ల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇంజనీరింగ్.
ఓకే.
బట్ ఓన్లీ 3 years experience like you only. 2017.
Okay.
And she is telling in her own way. Please listen to that, whether you can learn something from that. You see whether she can learn something from you. No problem. Best wishes.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. I'll stop this recording.
Okay.
Best